What if a simple email or smart booking trick could bump you from a basic stateroom to a luxurious ocean view haven without costing you an extra penny? Stick with me as I reveal 7 proven hacks to snag free cruise upgrades that the lines don't advertise. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we uncover the best travel secrets to make your adventures epic without breaking the bank. Today, we're counting down 7 insider hacks to score those coveted free upgrades on any cruise line. We'll go from number 7 to number 1, explaining each hack, why it works, and how you can pull it off. These tips come from real cruisers and a bit of clever strategy, perfect for first-timers or seasoned sailors. Let's kick it off. Number 7, book a guaranteed cabin. So, what's a guaranteed cabin? It's when you book a specific category, like an inside or ocean view room, but let the cruise line assign the exact location later, closer to sailing. Key, be flexible with your location. Don't be picky about deck or side. Just select GTY, guaranteed during booking, and cross your fingers. It's a low-risk gamble that pays off about 20 to 30% of the time, especially on popular routes. Pro tip? Do this for shorter cruises where inventory shifts fast. Number 6, join the cruise line's loyalty program right now. Loyalty programs are like frequent flyer miles, but for the seas, and they're your golden ticket to upgrades. Programs like Carnival's VIFP, Norwegian's Latitudes, or Royal Caribbean's Crown and Anchor reward repeat cruisers with points for every night saved. Share your experiences in the comments. If you leveled up through loyalty, it's free to join, so why not? Aim for at least 1 prior cruise to hit that sweet spot. Number 5, bid on upgrades through the cruise line system. Many major lines like Royal Caribbean with their Royal Up program, or Norwegian's Upgrade Advantage let you bid on higher cabins days or weeks before sailing. You get an email invite, then place a bid starting as low as $50 per person for a potential suite upgrade. Why is this an insider hack? It's essentially an auction where cruise lines fill unsold high-end rooms without slashing prices publicly, so you can snag deals way below retail. It works because ships hate empty high-end cabins. This one's perfect for budget house who want a shot at luxury. Number 4, mention a special occasion, booking or checking in. Whether it's your honeymoon, anniversary, birthday, or even a milestone like retirement, let the cruise line know. Drop it casually during booking calls, in your online profile, or at guest services on embarkation. Provide proof if asked, like a marriage certificate, but often a simple note suffices. Why it has a system? It humanizes your booking with anonymous reservations. Try it on your next trip. Worst case, you get a free cake instead. Number 3, book through a trusted travel agency. Skip the direct fee. Use a cruise specialized travel agent. They're free to you since lines pay commissions. Agents have access to exclusive group rates, locked rooms, and insider intel on upcoming upgrades. Why is this hack for free bumps? Agents can negotiate on your behalf, monitor for drops, and even rebook you into better cabins if promotions hit. Tell them you're upgrade out. This hack saved my friend in Carnival Mediterranean voyage, landing Bologna for inside classes. It's effortless and adds expert guidance. Number 2, opt for off-season or repositioning cruises. Repositioning cruises have ships move between regions. Europe to the Caribbean in the fall. Often it's discounts with fewer passengers. Free upgrades are common to balance loads. Insiders report full successes. Why it happens? Demand is low, so booking stands out. Search for repositions on mindsets. They're longer and cheaper. Add the variable weapon. Enjoy the uncrowded vibe. This one's ideal for flexible travelers chasing monitor emotions religious. Visitors. Sign up for email lists. Check the news out daily. Call guest services post booking. Lines release upgrade offers last minute, sometimes free to fill gaps. Fluctuates with cancellations. Lines prioritize proactive guests. There you go. That's how pros score suites without splurging. 7 strategies that seriously elevate your cruise game without touching your wallet. Remember, persistence. Starting from the next booking, see the digital. Score to upgrade before, drop the story on this block. Not beautiful. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, subscribe for more cruise tips and travel secrets, and hit that bell for notifications. See you soon.